Everybody do it with me, hit the sea line. Everybody hit it with me, hit the sea line.
I think they're like putting their shopping
Everybody do it with me, hit the sea line. We about to walk around talking about hit the everybody hit the 4-leg sea lion. My cousin, he a sea lion, he sound like this. My uncle, he a sea lion, he sound like this. Literally, that nigga like, what are you talking about? What is he talking about, bro? Alright, bye, y'all. I'm blocking everybody that behind me. Bye.
Oh, guys, just got there and just my house. Be good.